Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is going to be a home update, home decor vlog. I bought a bunch of new stuff. I actually already filmed this video and then I'm editing and I realized I never did an intro. Shame on me. So it's a really good one. It's a huge, I wouldn't say huge, but it's a lot of new home decor pieces in. We're gonna be updating some things around the house. And it's just basically all things home. You all told me in a couple of videos ago, I think, that I kind of named this series without realizing I named this series All Things Home. So yeah, it's another all things home video. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you wanna see what goodies I got at Homegoods and just all the things, then please just keep on watching. All right, you guys, so Rob and I are headed to Homegoods. We're gonna do a little bit of Homegoods shopping. Oh. The babies are, what?
I just thought I'd added some suspense.
So the babies are in the back going to Homegoods, one of my favorite stores. Rob hates this store. I was literally just talking to him off camera about how like this is one of his least favorite stores ever. This and Hobby Lobby he can't stand. But honestly, I don't go to Hobby Lobby anymore. I haven't been in Hobby Lobby in a very long time, and if I'm in there, it's only because I'm getting stuff for like a craft or like a project thing. Like I don't really go in there anymore for like home decor items. I haven't done that in like over a year. Yeah,
that's the part that used to get me, was getting the home decor from Hobby Lobby, because the store is ginormous. And on top of that, she's also looking for little like trinkets and stuff to,
yeah, I don't know, I just don't feel, I feel like it's the same stuff every single year. Like they never switch it up, unlike Homegoods that always has like new stuff in, new stuff out. It's like heavy rotation. So I'm going into Homegoods today to return some things. If you would have seen my last home decor haul, it was kind of a fail. Anyway, off to Homegoods we go.
It was so easy when we met. Future ahead of us, making memories. Our only hope is to forget and keep that passage closed for centuries. 'Cause I can take it anymore. Forgetting what I'm fighting for. And your words just stop, don't hold me back. Don't hold me.
Okay, you guys, so we're back. Well, I'm back. I went into the store. Rob was here with the kids. Shout out to Rob. Thank you for holding it down. But you guys, Homegoods has some good stuff. I didn't get too much. Like I had stuff in my cart and I was like, you know what? No, like I'm not gonna get this. I'm not gonna impulse buy. But I have a funny story. Okay, so and Rob, I didn't even tell you this. I went to return the sculptural piece. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch my other video. I went to go return that because I got it from Homegoods, and I returned that wooden table. So I go in line, I go to return it. Of course I don't have my receipt. I'm like, no, I don't have my receipt, but I have my card. Like, can you look it up that way? And she was like, no, we can't do that, but I can just give you a store credit. And I'm like, okay, that's fine, because I mean, my money's gonna go right back in here. I'm about to go shop, so it's no big deal. So tell me why she flips over the sculptural piece. The price tag isn't there. There's nothing indicating that I bought it from this store, so they can't even accept it. So you know what I did? I left that sculptural piece right there on one of the shelves. I sure did. I'm like, I'm not keeping it. I can't return it, there's no tag. I didn't take the tag off. You know what I think it was? I think it was one of those tags that like, it's like a rubber, like an elastic that goes around it. I had no business buying that. Like that was a mistake. So anyway, I think I took off the elastic to like show you guys and like style it. And I don't know where I put that, and that had the price on it. So basically I left the sculptural piece on one of the shelves, and I basically wasted all of my money. I didn't get, I mean all of my money, all of 10 bucks. So I didn't get any of my money back, and it's just sitting there now. Should I have kept it?
Yeah. Oh man, so now if you go back to try to get it, they're gonna think you're stealing.
No, I would have to, yeah, I would have to like rebuy it and they would have to put a price tag on it. I don't want it. Why would I? But like, it was a lose-lose for me.
Yeah.
What was I gonna try to sell it? Like, I mean, that would be my only option to get money back at this point. You know what I mean? Because y'all, we take out the trash all the time. Like, it's gone.
I mean, it is what it is.
Like, what is the right thing to do in that situation? Just keep it?
Keep it until you find the receipt, or, you know.
We threw it away. I know for sure we threw it away. Imagine if we go home and I find it. All right, you guys, so we are home. We had lunch and the babies are having quiet time. Well, Brielle is sleeping, RG's having quiet time. And I wanted to show you what I got from HomeGoods. And also I wanted to show you my first little setup here. I guess furnishings, my first little furnishings in the new house. I just have this serving bowl from Target, and then this book from HomeGoods. I got this like a while ago when I was still living at my mom's, and yeah, I just think it looks cute. Obviously, goes without saying, but I want to add more things and really like decorate this room. It's very plain right now, but I love this gold bowl. I feel like it ties in the gold from the bar stools. I feel like these two sides of the room for a while were not really communicating with one another, and now I feel like they're starting to talk. Like, we've got a little bit of gold, a little bit of gold. It's starting to really come together. So yeah, we just had lunch, so it's a little bit of a mess, but we're gonna move on to putting up more of our hardware, you guys. When are we gonna be done this hardware? Because
whenever the rest comes.
Yeah.
At this point, we've only got 3. Like, and as y'all can see, there are several doors without handles. So.
Yeah, lots missing, but they were back ordered, so there's nothing we could do about that. So yeah, anyway, Rob is going to put up, our handyman Rob over here is gonna put up the 3 pulls. They're pulls, but we're putting them on the cabinets over there, and that one needs another one. And then, yeah, that's what you're gonna do. And I'm gonna show you all what I got from HomeGoods. So, Roberto, I bid you adieu. Best of luck to you.
Thanks.
And yeah, so let's do a little HomeGoods haul. Okay, you guys, so we are gonna do this haul sitting here on the floor because one of the things that I got is very, very heavy, and I just don't want to be lugging this upstairs and picking it up. Anyway, it is what it is. So if you're wondering, that box in the corner is actually our frame for our TV, which I'm really excited. We got the Samsung frame TV. We got 2 of them. What?
I got it.
Oh. We got one for our bedroom. We went with a 65-inch. We listened to you guys. We got a 65-inch for our bedroom, which actually you all didn't really comment on that, but it was mainly the downstairs one. And then we ended up getting a 75-inch Samsung frame for down here. So that 65 frame, we got an actual like a bezel like frame to go around it. So that's what that is. Anyway, when the TVs come, obviously I'm gonna like show you, and like, I'm just so excited to be able to watch fall movies, okay? Fall Harvest on Hallmark Channel. I am so ready. 31 days of Halloween. I am so ready. Freeform, let's go. Like, I'm so in the fall spirit. Like, it took me a little bit, but like now after going apple picking and just the weather is starting to cool down, and I'm just so excited. So anyway, that was a ramble. Let's move on to the haul. The first thing is sitting right here. I probably should not have even put this on the floor. Probably should have put it on a bag. That would have been smart. But anyway, it's these 2 really big sham pillows. They're Euro shams. They're the Indigo collection, and they're just like this white textured pillow. They're really, really nice. I thought this would go nicely on our bed. These are for our bed pillows. Well, not bed, we're not gonna lay our heads on these, but like decorative pillows. And I just think they're really nice, really, really simple. It's cotton, so it's just, I don't know, it's just like really soft and casual, because I don't want our bedroom to become very like glammed up and like untouchable. I wanna make it a little bit more casual. So I went with these pillows with the texture. I just think they're really nice. They're big and fluffy, and I feel like they're gonna go with the fluffy duvet and duvet cover that we already have. So I'm excited about these. I returned one structural piece only to get another one. So I got this. I got this little guy because I just really liked the crystal. I don't know, something about this was like speaking to me. I thought it was just like very cute and different. And I just felt like on a shelf, maybe a mantle, maybe on that sofa table that I just showed you, I could put this here. It's just a decorative moment. And I don't know if you could tell, but like when the light hits it, like in the store, the light was hitting it and you could really see like the crystals inside, unless the light is hitting it. And I don't know how to do that right now. But yeah, I just thought it was really, really cute. This one is definitely an upgrade from the last one. And I just really like this. I feel like it's just cool, very like earthy. You know, I'm trying to mix in a little bit of like, just like tonal, just like earth, a little bit like bohemian. Anyway, I feel like every single haul video, I go on these rampages of explaining my vision when, in fact, I just don't know the word for it. So, moving on. Okay, I got a different shower curtain for the downstairs full bath because I, at first, got the Hearth and Hand shower curtains from Target, like the Chip and Joanna Gaines line, but it was like, they were just cheap. Like you could tell they were very thin. They just weren't well made. And like, it just looked like, you know when you're in college and like you just get like, you know, whatever at Target because you're like, okay, yeah, this is fine, like it'll do. It looked like that phase of just like, well, I just need something for the now, it'll do. Like, and I didn't want it to, I don't know, I just wanted something of like better quality, and I really like this one. We have this in Briella's room, or Briella's bathroom. I can't film with you watching me like that. He's like coming down the steps. Okay, next up, I got this lint brush. Wait, thick bristles for pet grooming. Oh, it's a fur remover. Oh my God, y'all. Why don't I pay attention? I feel like this happened in a haul like a few weeks ago that I think I buy things and then I don't read what it says. Like to me, okay, let me just walk you all through. I'm still gonna keep this. I'm still gonna use this. But okay, our couch. I love our couch. I have very little complaints about it. The only complaint that I really can think of is the fact that it holds onto lint like crazy. And I guess it's like the material because it's kind of got like a weaving material, woven material, and it holds on to lint. So I got this thinking that, okay, like any lint that's on there, I can wipe it away. Actually, let's try it. Let's just try it. Okay, instead of just talking about it, let's be about it. If you're gonna talk about it, just be about it. Right, Rob? Oh my gosh. Anyway, okay, so this is what I was thinking. Does it work? Oh, it works. Okay, perfect. Oh, nice. Okay, so I just got really excited. So basically, I don't know if you could tell, you can kind of see some lint over here. Is it gonna focus? You can see some lint over here. That's actually, yeah, that's some lint. It's like lint from clothes because obviously we sit on this couch. So our lint gets on it. So I wanted this brush because oh, now it's not getting this one. Maybe the others. Oh, there it goes. Okay. You just kind of have to work at it. Okay, yeah. So this is the brush I'm going to use on this couch to get the lint off. Oh yeah, this is really working. Okay. Oh my God, is this a clean with me? Now my couch is lint free. So yeah, I highly recommend this. Clearly it works. It was only $4. Okay, so that was a fun little field trip. Anyway, moving on. Okay, so this is the thing. This is actually the last thing, and this is the heavy piece that I was telling you. Oh my gosh, it is so heavy. And it was only $17. Like when you see this, you're gonna be like, you're so random, Kara. Why did you get this? But Rob, you haven't even seen this. Okay, what do you think that this is?
Some sort of vase.
You think it's a vase?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it's not a vase because it has a plug.
Oh, you've got something that heats up water?
That heats up water?
Did you get an electric kettle?
We already have one of those. No, I didn't.
Make sure.
I didn't get one. Leave a comment down below before you continue watching. What do you think this is?
Yeah, Jeffrey.
For real. Okay, ready? Da 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 da.
Oh, you got a salt lamp.
It's a salt lamp.
Okay.
I've never seen a white one. I've only seen pink.
Of course you have.
And Rob, apparently this actually tastes like salt. Am I in focus? Oh my God, please tell me that was in focus. I hope that was in focus. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And there are a bunch of benefits to salt lamps. Apparently it like purifies your space. Y'all, I don't know, I'm not an expert, but I thought it was interesting. And plus I think this is beautiful. So not only is it functional and like beneficial, it looks nice. So we're gonna plug this in together and we're gonna see, we're gonna see if this thing works. Ooh. Okay, it's yellow. I don't know what it's supposed to do. Oh, I hate that it's yellow. Can I switch the light bulb in here actually? Wonder if I can switch the light bulb to like a daylight light, because y'all know how I am. So here's what the salt lamp looks like. I don't have a clue as to where I'm gonna put this. I was thinking in the workout room. Okay, Rob's drilling. I was thinking in the workout room because like if I do yoga or stretch, like I think this could be like a nice little ambiance, a nice moment. But I was also thinking maybe, no, I don't know. I just thought it was cool and it's something about it was calling my name. So we'll see, we'll see. What do we think? The karate chop definitely helped. I like this. Oh, I like it now. Okay, yeah, I just needed to chop it. So I definitely need king size pillows is what I was trying to say. So I think once I get king size pillows, I'll like it more, because right now we just have standard and you can see there's a gap right there. It's just not the right size pillow for this bed. So that needs to be next on the list, but I really like this. It just looks very fluffy and soft, and yeah, I like it. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. I like it. Minus the hanger. Let's move that.
I don't want to toot my own horn, but beat, you feel me?